Hello and welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to show you how to use this unicorn chrome powder from KUKA. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's shimmery, it's shiny, I love what it does to the gel polishes. I even did a gradient tutorial which will be after this one, using the same powder over the top of the gel polishes. So if you want to see that one, it will be coming up soon. So this is the end result. If you'd like to see how I achieved this, just carry on watching. Okay, so after applying 2 coats of every gel polish colour, I then followed it with a no wipe top coat. I find this one from Bluesky easy to use because it's really rubbery and it never really sets properly, which is perfect for the powder to be rubbed into. So this is how the gel polish looks without any powder on it. As usual, there will be links for everything I used in the description box. Okay, so firstly I used just a normal makeup sponge that you can get anywhere and just rubbed very gently just a little bit of the powder. Then after that I used my silicone tool to really rub it in, and it really gives it a really nice shine. When you use the powder over this white, it really is amazing, the colour shift in it. You can't see it properly on the video. There is a picture at the end that shows all the colour shifting in it, but it really is. I think it's my favourite on white. Okay, so I'll show you the powder over all the other colours now, and then I'll come back to you at the end. finished look over all the different colours. I just use my dusting brush just to get some of the glitter off. You can't stop it going everywhere, it really does go everywhere. So which is your favourite? I can't decide, I love them all. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one.